We're back in the garage. We're working on the 351 Windsor. We're gonna be honing the cylinders, give it a nice cleaning, clean the pistons, put some rings on. We might even put some main bearings in there, drop the crank in. Let's get going. We have mid-90s 351 Windsor GT40P heads, valve springs. I got a cam in here and the basic rebuild kit. What is this? This is the valve spring kit I have for it. Trick Flow TFS 2500100. The plan is to put it in that truck. This will be basically a junkyard rebuild. Just hone, rings, bearings with a set of GT40P heads with valve springs, cam, intake, carb, long tube headers, dual exhaust. And then I'm gonna go with an HEI. You can see I've already done one cylinder. Cylinders aren't bad on most of them. Actually, you can still see crosshatch on all of them. I'm using the 3-stone hone to get any high spots off as opposed to a dingle ball. You can see I've already cleaned up one of the pistons. Just kind of see how this is gonna go. Moving on. Alright, we got the cylinders honed. I'm gonna pop the main caps off, chuck in some new bearings. Sprayed them down, wiped them, blew them off, sprayed them down, blew them off. I'm gonna pop these top sides in. Nice. Gonna do some ultra slick on those. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the crank in now. I just finished wiping it down, hosing it with brake clean, and drying it off. Here we go. Back from the auto parts store. I just went and got a rear main seal because I just realized my gasket kit does not come with a rear main seal. It says does not include rear main seal. Set includes rear main seal. So not sure what that's all about. But anyways, we got a fresh rear main seal. So I already got one loaded. Since I'm not doing any machine work to this, I just went ahead and ordered the standard sizes just to replace any worn bearings. Not fooling around with any sizing variations, you know, not doing that. So this says 1 with the arrow, so it'll go that way. Boom. Not torquing them down yet. After each one, give it a little spin, because it spun before that and it still spins now, so that one's not an issue. Okay. It feels nice. Alright, for this rear main, I'm just going to put a thin coat of ultra black around the outer edge. I'm going to slide this. They're snug. Alright, I'm going to start cleaning these pistons. I've already done one and put one new ring on just to kind of see how everything's going to go. This is what they look like pulled out of the motor. So they're not terrible, they're just dirty. So I'm going to get all the pistons to this step and then we'll do the rod bearings. All right, we're back working on the 351 Windsor. It's been about a week. Last weekend we were in here, we honed the cylinders in the block, put new bearings in it, put the crank in, put the main caps on, cleaned up the pistons, and put on new rings. Today we are going to be putting in rod bearings. This one already has it. We're going to be putting rod bearings in. That's not good. Broke a piston. Never mind, just broke a piston.